I give people impossible things that have nothing to do with the story they are working, and somehow that becomes a spinal cord that brings together things that cannot otherwise be come together, which is what art does. So they transform the place, they transform themselves, they transform each other, they transform the stories that are often very serious stories about very serious problems, because that's what I work with, that's what I create with, but they're now playing with the story, transforming the story, re-listening to the story, changing the story. They become the authors of the story, not the victims of what happens to them. And then they start re-signifying not only the story but themselves. They start reconnecting, re-listening to each other in a very different way, relating with each other, creating community by doing something in common. And all comes from their expertise. We are all experts in our lives.